2019 Honda Civic 2.0 LX. What we got done, something different. We usually put a vibrant on it. You see how big it is right there? But what we did, there's still a converter on it up there. We put a total flow 6-inch resonator. So just for comparison, because the camera doesn't give it justice, there's what usually a vibrant is. That's the total flow. It fits in the palm of my hand. You see that? It's tiny, it's hot, but so we had to add a pipe to it. Where's the resonator? Oh, the resonator is over there, the original one that comes on it, right there. So there's the total flow. We'll see if we can get you a link in the description for it. There's a part number 642. Part number 642, total flow. Okay, there'll be a link in the description for it. Then it's 2-inch pipe, and we did a muffler delete earlier in the year and put a dual tip out the back right there. So that's what it looks like now. He wanted it louder than the vibrant, but not obnoxiously loud, so not to the point of straight pipe. Take a little of the raspiness away. And there's the resonator that comes on it originally, right there. It's huge. So we're gonna let you guys hear it in a second. Much better. Yeah, here's sound decibels. Good, 111. Yeah, again. Yes, again. That's awesome. What do you guys think? You like it?
Not what I was expecting, but yeah.
Yeah. Okay to be on the camera?
Yeah, I'm good.
You don't care? Okay, cool. Go ahead and back it up. It's got a nice idle to it too. Let you guys hear on the inside.